Hi, my name is Philip, and today we're gonna learn how to add a breadcrumb in a AMP Legacy theme. But before, I will do that solution using two different plugins. The first one will be the rank math, and the second one will be an example for the Yoast SEO plugin. Just a quick reminder, we will add this code first at the functions.php. If you have a theme that you create by yourself and you know that that theme won't be updated, it's fine to leave there at the functions.php because you know that that functionality won't be replaced. But if you are using our third-party theme or premium theme that have constant updates, the safest option is using a plugin, because once the theme is updated, you can have that fix overwritten. And now we have the first example, use rank math. Here in this code, we will add a filter at the function the content. Every time that the theme uses the function the content, it will check if the rank math function exists and also if the AMP is request function exists as well. This function is used to check if that request was made by a AMP page. If all the requirements are fine, we just get the content, add the breadcrumb before that content, and return that for we display the content normally. And the second example is using the Yoast SEO plugin. Here, the only difference is between that previous code, it is the function that used to print the breadcrumbs. In that case, the function used to print the breadcrumbs, it is the Yoast underline breadcrumb. And you have a small difference in the way to print that because this is a requirement for that function. And at the end, when you concatenate the breadcrumb with the content, we just return that. And what happened here, and every time that the function the content is called and it is an AMP request, we will just include the breadcrumbs. And now let's jump to our demo, and I will go to my browser and I will show how to do that. And so here at my dashboard, so I have already the rank math installed and the AMP plugin installed, and for this scenario I'm using the AMP Legacy theme. Just to double check here at my Legacy theme, I have my title, the author, and the content for my post, and now we're gonna include here before the content our breadcrumb. And let's jump back to my dashboard. Inside the dashboard, I will go to Appearance, go to the theme file editor, and at the functions.php, at the bottom of this code, I just add my code here that adds a filter to the function the content, so that will be an extra step over that. And here at that code, I just include another check. For example, I just want to add this breadcrumb when I have the AMP Legacy theme. And let's jump here to our page, but before we need to save that, I will just update that file, jump to my AMP page and go to the post and check the AMP version. And now we have our breadcrumb here working. So this example, I have included the link, and that whole structure came from the rank math plugin. So what we are doing here, we are just injecting the breadcrumbs from rank math SEO. The same way will be for the example for the Yoast plugin. We just need to pay attention to change the function that is responsible to print the breadcrumb. And now I will just come back to my theme file editor, and I will just move that code to a plugin that we already have here. And I will just show, and I will just save that. And for example, the code that we have previously, I just moved to an index.php file, and I have included inside that folder rank math AMP Legacy breadcrumbs. The only difference here it is that comment. That comment, it is used by WordPress to identify that that item is a plugin. So you can have also only the plugin name and add any information that you need. If you want to include more information at the dashboard, you can add an author and a description, and those informations will appear at your dashboard. And another detail here, I have included, for example, this HR. So for example, we can play around and inject HTML code that is valid with AMP. In this case, the HR, there is no problem. And if I want to remove that, we can remove that as well and only print the breadcrumbs and after the content. So the only difference between the two codes, I just move the code that we saw previously to a plugin, and I have installed already on my dashboard. So if you want to install that, you can just zip that folder and upload to your WordPress. Once it's done, you will find here the breadcrumbs rank math. I will just activate that, and once that it's activated, I can just jump back to my homepage, check my IMP version, and I will click here at the IMP version, and here we have our breadcrumb again. So this is just a quick example how to include the breadcrumbs. You can place that code in other parts as well, and you just need to check if you are running a IMP request, and also if it's a legacy theme, you add at the legacy theme. And if you need help with the IMP plugin, please get in touch with us at the support forum at wordpress.org/support/plugin/IMP. And thanks for watching, and see you next time.